Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen my last vlog guys, you might not know that I am severely sick and मेरी आवाज literally खत्म थी from the past 2 to 3 days, but still now I feel much better and मेरी आवाज थोड़ी बहुत वापस आ रही है. So मुझे लगा कि why not talk to you guys about some makeup products that are going super viral right now on Instagram, and I have also caved in and bought all of these products. Some of them are PR, but most of them are purchased by my own money. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. सबसे पहले let's talk about this viral Mars pizza puff. This is going super viral right now on Instagram. It's basically a powder puff, you know, to like put under your eyes. If you love baking a lot and if you love to like set your under eyes with like a loose powder, then this one is going to be your bestie. जो ये puff है ना, this is supremely soft and this just feels so good. I've actually used these ones a lot from Amazon. All of them are very weird and ना उनके जो sponge है, it's not a good quality and they do get ruined in good 2 to 3 uses. So I thought why not get this one, and this is supremely cheap guys. This is for just rupees 129 and you get 2 of them. I have one abhi, one is with my didi. You are going to be in love with this one because I am literally obsessing over these. I definitely want to buy more of them and have like a backup of them. ये actually में बहुत अच्छा काम करता है and will set your under eyes throughout the night. And आपका makeup under eyes में budge बिल्कुल भी नहीं करता. So definitely a hit for me, and just rupees 129 is not bad at all. Super affordable and it works amazing. Next up I have a blush which is going super viral right now, and that are these jelly blushes. This one is from Prosh Beauty and I have talked about this one in my past videos also. If you have not seen that video, go watch it. But let's talk about this one again. ये actually में काफी अच्छा dupe है of the Milk Makeup Jelly Blush, and this one is really good for Indian skin tone. I love this shade by the way. This is the shade Raspberry Mood and this just blends so well guys. You literally don't need a brush to blend it or even a sponge. ये अपने आप ही somehow blend हो जाता है in your skin and just looks amazing, and ना आपकी skin पे बहुत लंबा भी last करता है. That is why I'm absolutely loving it. This is how the jelly looks like. It has makeup on top right now, but you can wipe it off. This actually has a lot of product in it and I feel like which is so good for the price. This is quite expensive, but if you are into jelly blushes, this one is actually really good. And ना ये आपकी skin में patchy feel नहीं करता. I have heard कि Milk Makeup का blush gets patchy a lot and you cannot use that one over makeup. But if you see in this clip, I'm using this one on top of like full face of makeup and ये कहीं से भी patchy नहीं है. If you see, this just blends so well on top of makeup, on top of powder also, and of course bare skin में तो बहुत अच्छा feel करता है ये. Definitely a hit for me. आपके everyday basis के लिए then definitely this one is really good and you can like check this one out. Next viral product that I want to talk about are these Nykaa Super Light Lipsticks. I am very grateful that I got these ones in PR and I am supremely happy that I am working with Nykaa, and this just feels literally like a pinch me moment and like a dream collab for me. And I have 4 shades iske. They come in 10 different shades. मेरा literally favorite shade अभी तक for like everyday basis has to be this one. This is the Pink Lemonade and this just looks very good on like bare skin. This is definitely like an MLBB shade, like my lips but better, and जिसका formula है, it is very moussey, very comfortable on the lips and just feels like nothing. Right now I feel I have nothing on my lips and it just feels so hydrating as well. So this has to be my favorite shade for like an everyday thing. But again, like if I'm wearing a very good outfit and everything, these two are my favorite shades. The first one is Cinnamon Swirl. This is a very nice brownie shade. If you're into very dark brown, definitely this one is going to be your bestie. But if you love more pink shades, pink nudie shades, then the shade Blushing Bellini, obsessed. This color is this one and this just looks amazing. Again, very good for office wear, college wear, not very tacky, not very overpowering of a color. But if you're into loud lipsticks, into dark bold colors, then this one is the shade for you. This is the shade Berry Blush. It's a very nice purpley shade which looks amazing on Indian skin tone. I never thought purple shade will look really good on Indian skin. I thought कि थोड़ा सा overpowering लग सकता है, but this looks amazing. And I feel like they have nailed the formula. Very cloud-like, very moussey-like, and I've never seen something like this in Indian market right now. So if you're into lightweight, moussey formula lipstick that will last long, then definitely these ones are the one for you. But I feel like they've sent me the bestest shades and I'm literally in love with these. Nextly, let's talk about a very viral concealer right now, and that has to be the NYX Serum Concealer. This has launched in India and I am so happy. This is their Bare With Me Concealer Serum serum. Like we do not have serum concealers in India. Like this just intrigued me so much that what is this product? So I thought कि why not try this one out? And इसमें कुछ लिखा भी है. This is infused with tremella mushroom. If you see in this clip, this actually blends really well, and I feel like if I layer this much more, तो मेरी ये like acne spots भी cover कर देगा. But recent times में I'm loving this look. Like I do not want to cover these acne marks. This actually looks very natural to me. So I'm like a little bit of coverage goes a long way. But this shade is not my shade, guys. This is the shade medium. I thought मुझे आ जाएगा, but this is much darker for me. अगर आपकी मेरी जैसी skin tone है, then definitely get a shade lighter इसमें. This one actually blends really well and it looks really good. But this is quite expensive. This is for $9.99. This has only 9.6 ml. So I don't know कि मुझे कितना लंबा last करेगा. I got this because this was going super viral. But I feel like you can get much good concealers in half the price. Like one from L'Oreal is really good. The one that I use every single day. The Infallible Concealer. The one from Maybelline. The one from Swiss Beauty. Like all of these concealers are so good and literally half of this price. But if you do want to try this one out, then definitely you can try it out. ये बहुत अच्छा coverage देता है आपको. Like this blends really well. सीरम जैसा क्या है आई डू नॉट नो. मे बी दिस इज इन्फ्यूज्ड विद समथिंग रियली गुड, लाइक गुड इंग्रेडिएंट्स, बट डेफिनेटली आई कैन से दिस इज काइंड ऑफ ओवर हाइप्ड फॉर व्हाट इट इज. सो माय वर्डिक्ट हैज टू बी लाइक अ मे बी. सो नॉट too good, not too bad, something in between. The next product is super viral right now and is going gaga on the internet, and that has to be this thing. This is the Maybelline Sun Kissed blush that is glow plus highlighter, and this has just taken over the internet and everybody is just talking about this one. This is their newest launch, that is their highlighter plus blush in one thing. So this is a packaging of their lip products. जो इनकी vinyl link lipstick है, जो इनका lip gloss है, उसकी packaging में ही है similar ये. This is how it looks, and guys I got the shade Downtown Rush 01. इसके बारे में I've researched a lot. इसके अंदर I think so 5-6 shades आते हैं, but most of them are like highlighter and not blush. उसमें like blush की pigment नहीं है, they're mostly highlighters, but this one has pigment in it. So I quite like it. My verdict has to be that it is quite good. You see your swatch right here. This is how it looks. This has pigment in it. Some of them do not have pigment in it, but this one definitely has it. And if you do blend it, ये आपको ना पीछे effect देता है with flexes of highlight in it, which is nice. I like the concept and I like the packaging also, that it is super easy to carry, very easy to put in your bag and go. को try करना है and you really love, when you really want to try it out, wow. Sorry guys, my light died on me, but as I was saying that if you want to try this one out, definitely you can give this one a try. In my opinion, this is really good if you want to try it out just for the hype. Quite expensive though, 600 का ये पड़ता है आपको. But if you love peachy shades and you love that golden hour glow, definitely you can give this one a try. In this range, they have two shades जो बिल्कुल like pigmented नहीं है, but this one has pigment, and इसमें एक और I think shade that has pigment in it. Like these are definitely orange peachy shades, not pink, not red, not mauve. So I feel like the marketing is good, consistency is nice, blends very easily. Like अगर आपको हाथ से blend करना, आप easily blend कर सकते हो. I feel like bare skin में भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Like on top of makeup अच्छा लग ही रहा है, but bare skin भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Will give you that glowy effect. In my opinion, this is kind of a hit. Nextly, I have some more lip products, and these ones are from Simply Nam. This is their latest launch, and that is their Magic Tinted Lip Oils. I got this in the PR and I have 3 shades. I have all of these 3 shades. जो मैंने use किया है currently, it is this shade. This is their Golden Hour Medium shade, which I love, guys. ये ना like more towards brownie shade है. Again, I'll give you a swatch. I love this color. Literally obsessed with this. इसका brownie effect है, which I love. Like on its own भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, but on top of lipsticks, this is going to be really good. If you have kind of a fair skin tone, then definitely आप पे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Then this shade Golden Hour Light is also really good. This is more pinky shade in my opinion. Pin right here. See, a pinky like gloss. I'll not say lip oil. This definitely feels like a gloss to me, but I think इसके अंदर बहुत सारी like अच्छी properties हैं. This has jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and all the grapeseed oil. Okay, this has a lot of oils in it. The last shade that I have, this is Golden Hour Deep. This is perfect for deeper skin tones, which are much more dusky. Then उन पे तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा shade. wow. This smells bubblegum, like a proper purpley shade, which is stunning. So I do like it. If you are into tinted lip oils and you love using lip oils, then definitely these ones are a hit for me. Color theory, the pigment, like the formula, the consistency, it looks so good. The glossy effect, and this has a lot of, oils in it. And I am obsessed with this color. This is of course the Golden Hour Medium. If you're into brown nudes, then definitely this one, guys, is amazing. If you want to try these ones out, definitely you can. This is Sumekha approved. Next product that I have is a lifestyle product, and that is this, guys, the very famous Celine K dupes that are available on Amazon. When I caved in and I got it, you must have seen thousands of reels, like vlogs and everything of people talking about कि उन्होंने ये लिया है for much cheaper. जो original आता है that is for 45,000 to 50,000. उतना we are not spending, sorry. These ones I got for 400 or 500 and they look exactly the same. The only thing is कि यहाँ पे Celine की logo नहीं है, but other than that this absolutely looks stunning and I feel like on Indian features ये बहुत अच्छा लग भी रहा है. If I have found a dupe of something super viral and super expensive, then definitely I have to share with you guys. And this one is amazing. सबके links of course नीचे होंगे. ये वाला जो particularly है ना, from this seller is really good. I have found people buying from different sellers. They're not exactly like Celine K dupes, but this one is the exact same one, guys. Lastly, I have this product that is going again viral, and this is their Foxtail Brightening Lip Balm. Now, I have something to talk about this, and that is I'm not into tinted lip balms. ये मेरे को free आया था from my Nykaa package, and I started using it. I found out कि this just makes my lip dry. इसके अंदर लिखा है कि this has peptides, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid. This just did not do any justice for me. This has good pigment. This might be moisturizing for like good 15 minutes. उसके बाद my lips are dry, they're chapped. So जो इसका pigment है, which is nice, is red in color, and अगर इसको हल्का सा से blend करते हो, this gets into a nice cherry red kind of lips. I feel like I can still get away with the color. It is pretty. This is by the way in the color Ruby Glaze, which is good. If you dab and apply, then definitely this will give you a very nice color. But my only thing about this is this will not keep your lips hydrated for like more than 15 minutes. So I feel like they can definitely work on formulation better. मेरे lips पे तो काम नहीं किया. I don't know about other people. I'm just giving my opinion कि this has not worked out for me. जो एक lip balm claim करता है, this is lip balm. This has to give you that hydration 24/7. लोग claim करते हैं. And yeah guys, with that we come to an end to this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. सबके links होंगे in the description box below, so do check it out before you exit this video. And yeah guys, if you like the video, you know what you have to do: like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys, and see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Never been to California.